I think liquid is gonna win tonight, chat. I honestly think liquid is gonna win. That is so dumb. I'm asking you like I can see your response. Because I can't see the comments right now. Every kind of technical difficulty tonight that is possibly available to have. But guess what? We're going to roll with the punches and we're going to keep it moving. We ain't about to worry about that. And then one more for the road. One more for the road. All right. Let's squeeze, chat. From now on, when I get my cans, I'm gonna pop them before I get on live. So we don't have to keep stopping and popping cans. I'm gonna do like Gabby. Y'all might get a solid live after all. My iPad don't cooperate. I ain't about to be in here talking to the wall. People already say I'm crazy. And I'm like, she crazy for real. She in there talking to a motherfucker self. We already know I ain't wrapped too tight. We crazy enough playing in cleaning products. Move this bad boy on out. Let me check for clumps. Okay, chat, we about to add liquids. Even though everybody is against liquids, it has to happen. It has to happen, chat. If I ask y'all, we're gonna add all the powder and I'm gonna have 17,000 liquids left. Ain't gonna be nothing left but liquid. This is so good. Thank y'all so much for being here. Thank y'all for tapping that screen. Thank y'all for sharing live. Thank y'all for sending. I hope y'all are enjoying the squeezes. The baddies popped it tonight, honey. The baddies popped it tonight, okay? Y'all showed out. Okay. Y'all want the fabric softener or the panailin? Okay. And last but not least, she is cute. She's giving what's supposed to give, okay? She is giving. The wrong time to ask me for advice, child. I can't even see the comments. Advice. For no reason. I don't know what y'all talking about. I'm gonna mind my business. I'm so lost in the chat. I have no idea what's going on. Well, chat, we could say we did a panailin overload. This was fun. The next theme for the overload will be gain and charisma. Our next overload will be gain and charisma. We're gonna do a small overload though in the little black thing because gain is high. I think I'm gonna just get a bunch of the small boxes instead of the big boxes. Ooh, let's dip this one. The powder is giving. And the panailin is fighting back. Per panailin is fighting back. If you're just coming in, I am not ignoring you. My iPad is on the fritz, so I cannot see the comments. Unfortunately. When we go on our next intermission, I'll try to figure it out. But for right now, I'm just gonna give up these fire ass squeezes and we're gonna keep it pushing. Okay. Sound like a plan, chat? Sound like a plan to me. If it don't sound like a plan to y'all, I would not know. That pinesol got this right back watery. That's ridiculous. And where did that clump go? Let me make sure the live's still going. The puzzle ain't ended. Lord Jesus. That'd be terrible. Okay, one more squeeze for the road. All right, chat. Now is y'all time to shine. Do y'all want more powder or y'all want to add some more liquids? I'm seeing a whole lot of powder going on. Now you know. Not now you know. I'm trying to stand up and read the comments. Lord, back gonna be woe down. Okay, powder it is, chat. Powder it is. Okay, I'm going back in my zone. Y'all tap that screen.